Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Charity. In this video, I made two cakes with one butter. I made the cake batter first, like the base. Then I divided it into two, then made lemon cake and carrot cake from the batter. Let's bake together. I will write in the description the ingredients and quantities that I used for these two cakes. At this point, I had divided the butter into two and mixed in the carrots. The clear bowl is the one that I have mixed in the carrot. In this bowl, I'm mixing in the lemon zest and green food color. for this cake to be colorful. I noted that the lemon cake batter was thicker than the carrot cake. As you can see, this carrot cake batter is a little more runny than the lemon cake batter, but they all baked well. The lemon cake was airier than the carrot cake. The carrot cake was a little dense, but it was alright. These are my cakes, the carrot cake and the lemon cake, and they were all amazing. Thank you.